Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose. Shelly's inside. We just got back from an appointment, and she's relaxing. And I wanted to come out here to do another quick project on the RV, another mod. In another day or two, we're going to be getting 12 inches of snow. So I need to come here, put my slide back in, and batten down the hatches on my RV until all the snow falls and melts and gets away. So this is what I'm going to do. My tension caddy for my shower. It's not really a mod, but it's something I want to put in there to get more room. So we're going to do a lot of mods, and this is one of the mods right here. I hope it fits. I don't know. I mean, I doubt if it's going to be in our way. We don't use that corner too much. Basket was the wire on it. And it comes with directions. Nice. And the other end. We packed this up pretty good. So we got 3 of these and the 2 end pieces. One is bigger than the other one. And each pole is individually wrapped, so ooh, these poles are cold. Oh, there you go. This one's telescopic, so that's cool. And then you tighten it up. Cool.
Make a movie of your life. Everything that you've been through, and I can't believe I get to call you my wife.
It fits nicely in the one corner. This corner doesn't fit because it has these shelving, these little shelving that really doesn't do anything. But I kind of like that. That one's all the way down, and you can put your shampoos in there and drape some wash towels and whatever those things are called. Not too much because it's curved. See that? Right at the end. But I can put something in there and wedge it in there, and this thing won't come off. So let's see. I'm going to take this thing off since I don't need it anymore. This thing was actually pretty nice. And like I said, I need to shimmy something up there to keep it more secure. So there you have it. I kind of like it. So like I said, you can keep all your shower stuff in the shower. You don't have to do anything. So look at it. You tell me. Like I said, take a look at it. You tell me how it looks. I think it looks great. I like it. You see how it looks over there? I got my shoes on. I got thick shoes on. I'm 6 foot. I can fit in here nicely. If you're taller than that, you might have a difficult time. Remember, I have a GoPro 20 FPS. But you can see, I can turn around without really hitting this. My hand hit it right here. So that's this. Look, you want something, you grab it. You can put stuff down there that you really don't need. And stuff up here that you might need. And soap and stuff. And you go. Nice. It only fits in this corner, in the one corner. So if you have the same shower as this one, remember I'm a GoPro 20 FPS, and sometimes they have the same showers. Like in a 19 FPS, they have a radius shower. You might need all the room you can get in a radius shower, so this might not be good for you. Cool. And like I said, here it goes. I got it at Target. I'll put all the information on the screen so you can, and in the description, so you can check it out. So I like it. Gives it a little more color too, because it was kind of white in here. Now if it was this color, it'd be better, I think. But since or a towel holder, look at that dust. Towel holder and everything, or is dark, it fits right in. So that's cool. It's not out of place. So there you have it. The tension caddy. Store and organize large or inverted bottles, razors, and other bad essentials. Wasn't too bad to assemble. Is Room Essentials, is that a Target brand? Room Essentials? I'm not sure. I think it might be. So it was an in-betweener. It wasn't a real expensive one. It wasn't a real cheapy one, like the plastic ones. This is plastic, but that's metal, the post metal. And it has a metal rod around the plastic. So, and it's not like flimsy plastic. So, I like it. I think the mod is a go. It is a go. Now, I didn't do the field test yet. So, wait till I take it out, do the field test, and then I'll give you guys an update on that mod. This mod right here was the coffee machine on it. So, without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.